So I'm back, but unfortunately I am back with some pretty bad news. Donald Trump has decided that America should leave the Paris climate deal. And I'm not only upset about this, although I am, of course, pretty upset about this, I'm also just really confused. Let me break it down for you. You can think of the Paris climate deal as this cool group of kids at school. Cool as in keeping the planet cool. Except these cool kids are not too cool for school, they're actually super welcoming. All you have to do to hang out in this gang is say what you want to do to fight climate change. So loads of countries submitted their pledges to fight climate change and joined the gang. And when I say loads, I mean loads. Everyone from South Africa to Brazil, all the countries in the European Union, even the two big emitters, America and China, joined the gang. In fact, every country in the world joined the Paris climate clique. Every country in the world apart from two, and they were Syria and Nicaragua. And to be fair to Nicaragua, the only reason they didn't join was because they thought the Paris climate deal wasn't strong enough. So they were just like, no, I'm too cool for this gang. Okay, so now we've got this big, cool climate clique with almost every country in the world, each country fighting climate change the way they individually want to. Now, I know what you're thinking. Maybe Donald Trump decided he didn't want to stick to America's pledge, and so he thought the best bet was to sneak away from the Paris climate deal before all the other countries noticed and America got in trouble. But here's the thing about the Paris Climate Agreement. There are absolutely zero consequences to not sticking to your pledges. That means there was absolutely no reason that America had to leave the deal. But America left anyway, in a massive tantrum. When Donald Trump announced that he was going to take America out of the Paris climate deal, he said this.
So we're getting out. And we will see if we can make a deal that's fair. And if we can, that's great.
But what could be more fair to a big emitter like America than you getting to say what you want to do to fight climate change, and there being absolutely no consequences if you don't stick to your word? This isn't a rhetorical question. I genuinely don't know what could be more fair. Seriously, if you get why Donald Trump left the Paris climate deal, I would love to know. Please comment in the comments below, because I genuinely don't understand why he felt like he had to leave. But I do know one thing, and that's that it's more important now than ever that we all do what we can to help fight climate change. And with that in mind, I've got 3 videos coming up all about how we can all do a little bit to cut our own emissions. I know I haven't made a video in a little while, but I'm compensating it with a triple bill in July. I'm really excited to show them all to you. In the meantime, please do stay in touch. Subscribe to ClimateAdam so you don't miss future videos. Check out a recent video over here and get in touch on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram if you have any climate change questions of your own. Until next time, bye.